So hi, today I'm playing Tony Hawk. I know the graphics are not good for this because it's on the Switch, and also my filming camera is my iPad, and my iPad's like ancient. I got an update like earlier. What's happening? Why wouldn't it let me play ranked and free skate? Oh, that's not good. Wants me to do extras. Okay, this is how to do the tutorial on Tony Hawk. Wow, that really makes me angry. Bruh, I just already know how to do this. I'm a pro at it on PlayStation. And 1 minute's like past. How? Hey, okay. Tony Hawk tutorial mastering the basics. Hey, welcome to my new game. I see you found a tutorial. This is a great place to start learning how to play. Let's go through the lesson and have some fun. Focus on the basics. You can always. How is that basic? You can always return for the more advanced lessons to practice. Okay. I know it's supposed to say I can take the same handle. Like real life skateboarding, it takes practice now. No, it does not. Trust me, I've tried. Yeah. Yes. I know how to do all this. I know how to do this. Yeah, I know how to do this. I know how to do an actual ollie that actually says I did an ollie. Ow. Okay, that's actually really annoying. Oh, the graphics look so good on my Switch. This is an OLED Switch we're playing on. So yes, wait, it wants me to do a flip trick. I forget you saw that editor, cut that out. Wait, you don't have an editor. I just thought, okay, oh yeah, you have to go in a direction, I just remembered. And then that was it. No, you did not just say that. No. That's what you get, Tony. I'm sorry, bro. Wait, it wants me to find the next tape. Okay, where could you be? Oh, what's that shining green light? Is it the Avacadabra spell from Harry Potter? Oh no, it's an alien. Okay, it's just the next tape. Boo, you ruined everything, Joe. I'm not called Joe, seriously, I'm actually not called Joe. I don't want to tell you my actual name because only when I get 1 million subscribers I will do a face reveal and tell you my name. So yeah, if I get a view, tell your friends that I will give the face reveal. I can tell you that I'm 9 because I told you that in one of my videos. Wait, what? What did? I'm speeding up. Okay, where are you, green thing? Green thing? Green thing? Where are you? Oh, there. Wow, I didn't see that. Forget you ever saw that. What's a vert surface? I do not know a term. What? How did I? What? Oh